Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is the Tomer Nature Reserve. We're heading up the pipeline, so let's see what there is to see. Look at that, they got barbs on this tower to prevent people from climbing it. Those are probably anti-climbing. I bet people tried to climb that. The bees are like plentiful and aggressive on this pipeline, so not sure what's going on with that, but just keep it moving for now. Going up through this thorn and thicket area. We're getting ready to go off the pipeline and into the wood section. Just a nice day for this. Upper 70s, mid-April, so the green is starting to come out. If we see any nice flowers, I'll definitely zoom in on those. I don't know what these are. They're like little trees, I guess, but they look like little palm trees. It's kind of fun to imagine a sandy shore there. Got somebody's house just off to the right there. This is a fun little tree here. It's a nice little tree. Take a water break under here. This one I think is somewhere between 0.6 and maybe 0.9 miles. So it's a shorter trail, but you never know what you're gonna get on these. And it's fun to log them all for my app, traildepth.com. There's a chipmunk sticking its head out of this tree up here. I'm gonna try and get it on film. I got him. I think you're gonna like that video. This all says Westmoreland Conservancy land, so I want to step over here and check out what looks like an outhouse real quick. So somebody's house is down over the hill. Definitely don't want to go there. This might be an extension of their house, I'm not sure. Yeah, maybe I best not. That looks like an extension of somebody's house. Yeah, see, there's houses down all over the hill there. Look at this tree hole up here. We're coming up to the end of the first loop. There's 2 loops, so almost at the end of the first one here. We're just making the connector here. Gonna go back across the pipeline and back into the woods on the other side to see what's there. Back across the pipeline we go. Wonder why they score these down trees across like that with an X. But I've seen that on multiple trees. Or maybe that's just a byproduct of chopping the log. I did actually pass one other person on this trail. They just went by a little while ago, so didn't expect to see anyone out here. The story here for me seems to be someone put up a bunch of wildlife safety zone signs and no hunting signs for the nature preserve, which makes sense because it's a nature preserve. But then looks like people just like tore them down, threw them on the ground. So oh, this is a nice tree. All right, and we are finishing up the second loop already, back to the start and the pipeline. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.